Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to log in into your Ahli Bank online banking account in Oman quickly and safely so that you can access your account and manage your finances anytime, anywhere. So to get started with it, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of Ahli Bank, which is ahlibank.com. Once you are over here, you just have to simply click on the option of online banking here on the top. When you click on it, you will find two different options further, like we have personal login and we have business login. So you can choose the personal banking if you are logging into your personal account, or you can click on the option of business login if you want to get access to your business account. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be clicking on the personal login option. Now what this is going to do is it is going to open a new tab in front of you. Then it is going to show you the login information in front of you. Basically a section where you can just add your login credentials like your user ID or your username and your password. Then if you have enabled any kind of two-factor authentication, you will get an OTP on your registered mobile number. After entering that OTP and verifying your identity, you will be able to successfully get access to your Ahli Bank online banking account dashboard. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.